Hello students, welcome back in my next video. In this video I am going to teach you about the decimal number. So I would like to request you please watch my video till end. So let's get started. Let's take a look on the agenda of the video. First, overview of decimal. Second, what is decimal number? And third, types of decimals. The word decimal comes from the Latin word decima, which means 1/10 part, that is 1/10. Now, what is decimal number? A decimal number has two parts separated by the decimal point. The part to the left of the decimal point is called the whole number part, and the part to the right of the decimal point is called the decimal part. Now, example. In 35.03 point decimal point, and 35 is the whole number part and 03 is the decimal part. Decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal number is called decimal places. That is, in 7.64, the number of digits contained in the decimal part is 2. So, number of decimal places is 2. Now, types of decimals. Like decimals and unlike decimals. Now, definition of like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, 6.73, 8.05, 90.68 are like decimals because they are having same number of decimal places, that is 2. Unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example, 5.3, 8.64, 10.045. They are having different decimal places, so they all are unlike decimals. Now, it's very important point. You must have remembered it. Putting any number of zeros to extreme right of the decimal part of decimal does not change its value. For example, in 4.9 may be written as 4.90, or it may be written as 4.900, and so on.